it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. I'll be demonstrating how to make the best yet affordable custard at the comfort of your home. So guys, let's get started. To begin with, I will be using cocoa powder, cinnamon and cardamom, which I had at home before now, powdered milk, cornstarch, vanilla sugar, and here orange sugar, which I poured here. Overall, I spent approximately $4.36 to buy all of these: the cornstarch, the powdered milk, the orange sugar and vanilla sugar. Like I said before, excluding these, the orange sugar usually comes in 14 grams, so I'll be using 2 of it. That's 28 grams. The vanilla sugar comes in this type of package, usually packed in 15. Each sachet 5 grams, so I'll be using 45 pieces of this, which is a total of 225 grams. And here powdered milk, which is about 250 grams. Without further ado, let's jump right in. 700 grams of cornstarch in the blender already. I will go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients. Give it a smooth blend. In all sincerity, don't you like what you are seeing? You may decide to use hand to do the mixing, but I will advise you make use of a blender, because that tends to do it smoothly. In the end, you get a uniform result. This smells so nice. I must confess that this tastes so good. This is the best custard I've had ever. You need to try this. That is it, guys. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time,